So Baba asks, okay, you saw the game of nature, didn't you? But now Bab Dada is asking you,
आप लोगों ने
asking all of you,
सिर्फ खेल देखा
did you just watch the games of nature or did you
बिजी रही
or were you busy in your game of being in a flying stage or you just gave news
तो सब सुनना भी पड़ा
of the turbulence in nature,
तो
the upheaval in nature?
जितना समाचार
Well, news
सुनने में
you must have heard, but
इंटरेस्ट रहता है
the amount of interest you have in listening to the news of these upheavals in nature, to that extent, do you also
उसमें इतना इंटरेस्ट
have the interest of experiencing a flying stage yourselves? Playing that game of flying stage? See, with Baba's help,
कई बच्चे
many children
गुप्त योगी है
who are incognito yogis,
ऐसे गुप्त योगी बच्चों को
who are incognito yogis,
मदद भी
felt a lot of help from Baba.
लेकिन जो बच्चे
But those children
अपन में श्रेष्ठ कार्य
But those children
भी अचल साखी रहे
who were busy in their elevated task as well as remained as detached observers of everything,
जैसे
they experienced in that
सहयोग देने
they experienced at that time,
चाहे गवर्नमेंट चाहे आसपास के लोग
that
सहयोग देने
how everyone came to help them, whether it was the government or whether it was the social workers there, all came to help them. And
अपना सहयोग
even the Brahmin souls
शक्ति शांति
helped them by sending them vibrations of peace, love, happiness,
ईश्वरी कार्य है वो किया
and thereby did their divine task
जैसे वो
of creating a powerful atmosphere.
गवर्नमेंट ने ये किया
Just as the government helped in a physical way, some countries helped in their way to Orissa.
अनाउंसमेंट
They,
करने लग जाते हैं
they started announcing immediately that this country has given this much for Orissa, that country has given that much for Orissa. But then Baba is wanting to know
अपना
whether you Brahmins also did your task of helping them
आपको
by sending vibrations. You also should remain alert.
स्थूल सहयोग देना ये भी
To
आवश्यक
give physical help is also necessary.
इसमें बाप दादा
In that, Baba will never refuse, will never say no to it. You should help physically too. But along with that, the main task of Brahmin souls,
कोई सहयोग नहीं दे सकता
which is in the cooperation of that which no other souls can give, and that help is
लाडोंगी
in the form of giving powerful vibrations, and for that You did you become alert and give that? You have to give that, is it not? Or do they need just clothes and food? That's all what they need? Is that all what they need? The first and foremost thing is they need peace of mind. They need strength to face that situation.
स्थूल के साथ सूक्ष्म सहयोग प्रमाणित
Along with physical health, spiritual subtle help can be given only by Brahmins and none other. Actually, what you saw was nothing, it was only a rehearsal.
रियल तो आने वाला
The real thing is still to come.
उसकी रियल आपको भी पाप या समय
So,
कराना
the rehearsal is being shown to you by Baba as well as by time.